Really trying to do that. Just lay right up.
First when that bike got out of the head, he said, I just still coming out, they're still pretty tight. Hey, listen, the sample is a sample, guess what? Our vets out here. I'm a vet.
Over there.
I started at the bottom and I worked my way up. I designed helmet graphics and product and concept all the video shoots and do all the marketing.
So basically what we're getting at is all these badass helmets get to come from your mind and a lot of these other influence from these guys, right? And stuff. Well, listen, John, I want to say thank you so much. You, Rob, all the guys, Kyle and Eric and everything. Thank you for supporting Drifter Drags and everything. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, give it up for John and the Icon team right here. Thank you so much, brother. I really appreciate you being out here. Is with Veterans America. Vanessa, we've met up in Milwaukee. We came up with a good idea for you guys to jump on board with me being a vet, helping me slide into my house and everything, get all that taken care of. Can you give everybody a little bit of a lowdown what Veterans America does?
Yeah, so Veterans America has been in business for over 26 years. So we sponsored Doug. We love his passion for what he does, but also the CEO of my company loves Harleys. He rides. So for us, it's not a application. It's not a loan. He takes every serious loan that you guys do with us. He sees your IDs. He sees your face. He looks at that and it's a home. It's a place for him. So he believes, as he always immerses into us, as saying that we want to help you own the land you defend. That's our slogan. It's because you guys defended our country and we should own a part of that. And he means business. Every loan officer that you deal with, we're here to help you. Whether it's refinancing or you're licensed in 12 different states, we got you covered.
Right there. Riders. And I'm going to start with, I call him our local senior citizen. It's never going to get old.
No.
This man right here, Rusty. Rusty, give everybody your Instagram real quick and who you're riding. Next guy up right now, you guys, we got CJ Sylvester. CJ, I know I tell this story every time and stuff, and I know it's getting old, but I don't care. I've known you since what, 17?
Yep, 17.
Let me get this microphone on you here, Mitch. I was gonna flip it on your nipple there for you, buddy. 9.5 more Mitch, straight out of Miami, buddy. You've been on the road driving truck, right?
Yeah, here and there.
Here and there. Oh man, Listen, Anthony, you came to me how long ago now? What, a year and a half?
No, I think it's coming up on a year.
Coming up on a year.
But yeah, just a moto guy. I've been on a dyno like 2 months, just trying to put myself out of my comfort zone. Have no clue what I'm doing here. Just yeah, just gonna.
So full send.
Yeah, just come in it humble, see where I'm at, and progress. You know, it's the first one. I have nothing to prove, nothing other than just experience, just having fun. Keep it on 2 wheels, keep it smooth, try not to hit barrels, and
That's it. Don't hit the. So, you've seen this thing change. You've seen what we've changed in the game here.
Yeah.
And this is your first race, correct?
Yeah.
So your first race. What is your expectations, and what do you think of the course?
The course is nice. It's sticky. Definitely want to pump up the air pressure, but I'm excited. Just excited to be here, man. I just want to get around them and have fun. I'm just here to ride my bike. Just hang.
You've got out here. You've turned it around out here. You put it down the track. What are you thinking?
I think the track's sick. Just gonna go out there, have fun, and do the best I can.
Do the best you can. Straight out of Jacksonville, you guys. Give it up for my boy Adam Ritter.
It's good. It's a fun course. I think it's good for the community, the bike community, kind of keep the sport going, stuff like that.
Well, and that was one of the things we talked about because you've been in the scene for a long time. You came from the sport bike world and came over here and moved into the Harleys. And now one of the things we've been talking about and working with Icon is helping bring back a lot of the sport bikes over here because the Harleys have kind of dominated.
Taken over, yeah.
Yeah, so one of the things we share in common is a pretty cool family that does this and everything.
For sure.
You got your little boy Ryder and stuff. I've got my little girl Trinity. And we're talking about doing a kids class and stuff. Tell everybody the progression with Ryder and how you guys have been kind of working with him.
Yeah, so I mean, we don't really push shit on him. It's just what we do. So we're usually riding. We're going to events. We're doing shows, traveling. He wants to do it, so we'll let him get on the bike. We started off with a Stasic. He moved to like P-Dub with training wheels and dirt bike, and then 110. We taught him throttle control, brake control super early, so he can pretty much ride any bike he wants. So now he's wheeling a 4-wheeler and stuff like that. So.
I've ridden them like that before.
Oh, give me one more reason to go. Daytona Beach Mike Toberfest, Volusia Top Gun. Are you ready for this race? Right now, Rusty, you ready? Jake's ready. 3, 2, 1, 6. Touch the ball. Rusty's gonna get a cut. This one you can absolutely. Oh my God! Get loud, God! Turn away! Oh shit! Make sure you guys are icon.com. Check it out. Ready? Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Let's see if they take it over this one. Not going to be shy. They're coming around. See if we can make it keep working it around. Come into the game with my way down the line. A little touch, and it's moving through. When we come back, this is going to come down the last goal. What you don't make it around. There you go! 3, 2, 1!
has had an interesting run with our guys in our summer series. But talking about riders, I'm going to come right around here to my guy. All right, Volusia Top Gun Daytona Beach Biketoberfest, are you ready for this race? Here we go. Blue lane's ready. Give me a nod. CJ, you ready down here? 3, 2, 1, send them. Out, around, and out. Here we go again. The Diners facing up. They are two of the fastest guys we got moving into this. Rusty versus CJ. CJ versus Rusty. They're nearing each other. Oh my. This is going to be one of those races. Here they come. Coming into the lane. Coming down the final. Volusia Top Gun, get loud for him. Race number 1. Seeing what they got around. Oh, it's going to come down to it. It's going to... Rusty by a half of a tie front top. We're going to get him back out here. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, let's see who's going to take it. On the fucking sport bike, absolute insanity. So much bike control there. That's why this is going to be interesting to see what this racing looks like. Kyle said, I can't get out of here without doing that handstand. Headstand, standing on top of that bike, on his head for full circles, saying, I'll show you guys some bike control. Listen, I am already missing a leg. Holy crap. Almost took the lap on that left. Get it out more, nigga. All right, Volusia Top Gun Daytona Beach Biketoberfest. Welcome to the final fucking round of Saddlemen Drifter Drags. Are you guys ready? Let's see who's taking home some money and a seat. CJ, are you ready? You're riding. You understand you're racing this one, all right? Hey, Rusty, old man, you ready down there? Is Rusty ready? Sabrina, you ready? 3, 2, 1, stand up. Out and around and out. Here we go again. We are crowning a champion right here, you guys. CJ and Rusty and CJ, oh shit, coming into each other. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, get loud. They're going to that final barrel, coming the way down. Here comes the 180. Coming back. It's going to be a drag race all the way back. Oh my God, get them lined up. Look at the lines. Rusty, CJ, Rusty. Oh! I gotta hide away, cause I gotta find a way. Stunts, 3rd place out here, Biketoberfest. It's been exactly 1 year since we started doing this and everything. We came up to Panama, did some fun stuff with you and everything. We had a lot of fun up there. What do you think of Drifter Drag so far? You took 3rd place on the bagger. What do you got to say?
Yeah, it's pretty sick. It's a good event. My bad. It's a good event. You hosted a great time. It's cool to see different bike sportsters, baggers, dynas, everybody racing together. Tomorrow's gonna be gangster too. Bring the sport bikes out, and fuck it up. Have a good time.
All right, guys, give it up for Dylan. Low Life Stunts, buddy. You got some money right here in this koozie, and I got a couple other things for you and stuff. But I need you guys one time showing the bread off. Give it up for him, Dylan. Low Life Stunts. Oh, hell yeah.
Thank you, bro.
Yeah, love you.
Great.
Thank you so much.
Hold on.
Are you counting to make sure it's all there?
Yeah.
Okay. They're fake 20s. I print. What?
Yeah, dude. I didn't pay to enter. I forgot.
I said I didn't pay to enter.
I got 25 though.
Oh my God. Hey, look, give it up for him. Man of his word right there. The whole 9 yards. Dylan, seriously, dude, solid as fuck. Holy crap. All right, I got stripper money. All right, Rusty. I hear it.
Freaking.
Yeah, I hear it. Hold that one there for me. Get over here. So we've been at this, like I told everybody earlier, we've been at this since the beginning, been bouncing around everything from drifter cross all the way to drifter drags, all over the country doing shows and stuff, taking a 2nd place home tonight. CJ came out firing pretty hard and stuff. What do you think on the whole event overall?
The bike week events always hit a little different. Like, we've been doing this all summer long, been having a blast ripping with all these guys all summer. Stoked to see some new faces come out here. CJ's ripping. I got to give it up to him, man. It was a hard-fought race, and he killed it.
it's great to see him come out here and moving and really working their way up. A lot of these guys, we've seen a lot of great progression with these guys, and they're getting absolutely insane stuff. But Rusty, great job out there, buddy. I got some cash for you, and I got some other goodies, but the cash is the serious part.
Do I have to count
Give it
it?
right here. Yeah, you gotta count it. Give it up for Rusty. You guys taking home some money. He's got a whole lot of other goodie bags coming with it. Oh man. Oh man. Hometown hero right here. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, give it up for CJ Sylvester! Bro. We've been riding stunts. We've been doing dumb shit. We might have seen one or two red and blues behind us before, riding around.
Definitely.
Now we're out here winning money, taking home some fun shit. What do you have to say to everybody?
First off, thank you to the crowd. Thank you guys for coming out. Doug, thank you for putting this on. To all the sponsors that put this on. Doug asked me a question before. What was my expectation for tonight? I told him to win, and I did that. So I'm stoked.
You came out here and pushed it. Guys, give him a round of applause. Listen, you really did fight all the way through that. You took a loss there. Gets a little nervous when you take that first loss, right? So what was running through your head on that final race? What were you telling yourself to not fucking do?
Hit a barrel or just be steady with the throttle. Don't get too crazy because you don't want to spin too crazy. But I was also kind of like blacked out because I thought I won those two races. I didn't know I had to race again, or I wouldn't have like burnt my tire off and then raced again. So yeah, it was just kind of a blur.
It gets really overwhelming out here and stuff. But guess what, dude? You are taking home a mother load. Right there is some serious cash, $500 in cash, a Saddleman seat, and an Icon helmet. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, give it up for your man, champion right here, Biketoberfest, CJ Sylvester! I love you, buddy.
Yeah, I love you too. Thank you.
Great job. Give me that microphone. We're going to get you a Saddleman seat. You're going to talk to the guys from Icon. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, make sure you're right here tomorrow night for Icon Presents Harleys versus Sport Bikes. I'm out of this bitch. Thank you guys for coming out. One more time, Volusia Top Gun, Daytona Beach, Biketoberfest. Ready? Blue ain't ready? 3, 2, 1, here we go. This is the Harleys. They're coming. It might be a nice time. We can go. Air trimmer, trying to take out everybody. I have no idea what just happened besides someone's getting booed. Get loud for race number 3. Here we go. Rusty ready? Jake ready? 3, 2, 1, get out. Here they go. They're back into it again. Now making sure there's no pressure on that barrel right there. Oh, we go. Oh, Rusty's going to say up in the turn side. Let's see where they're going to go. Oh, it's a back to another. The back and swing just a little bit. Oh, my God. Jake comes off the bike freaking sideways. Holy shit. Lions it. Right on the back of that shit. On the face, Russell. I'm going to show it up. Get it. You said I could at least. Are you ready? Here we go. Coming down to this next round. Looking at the minute. Oh no, feeling up just a little bit. See if we're gonna make it work the right. Coming back up. Still ahead. Matthew Nate went a little too far around that thing. Dylan's coming into it real fast. Coming on that last one. Pushing in and around it. There. Oh! 3, 2, 1, get out. Out and out. Here we go.
Nate's coming around. Dad's coming around. Look at how Eric is on that front wheel. No, it just makes that bike fly so fast. Coming into it. Kyle got that red shirt around. Let's see what they're going to do. Here they go. Let it stretch. It's a 6, 8, 9, 8. Oh my God, it climbs. Coming in around. No. Send them. Out and around and out. Here they freaking go. Going to the side. Oh my God. Coming back to man each other. Oh, the Leslie's on it. Eric's on it. Oh, Eric we won. Leslie's into it. Watch this. They're coming down that last straightaway. What's going to happen? Oh my God. She can't get around.